backwards. Okay? Find f of x equals 3. All right, here's what this means. When they're wanting f of x equals 3, they're saying when y equals 3, what is x? So this is backwards. When the whole thing equals 3, when y equals 3, f of x is the same thing as y. When y equals 3, what is x? Here's what I do. Oh, never mind. So what I do is I go up here, y equals 3 on this flat line right here. Y equals 3 on this flat line. So I draw a flat line, y equals 3. And I'm going to look and see, first off, does my dashed line ever cross this line? Does my dashed line ever cross this? Or my dashed segment, does it ever cross it? Yes. Okay, it crosses it right here. So when y equals 3, I've got to ask, at this point, when it equals 3, what is x? So what is x at this point? 0. Okay? Now, you can have multiple answers. For example, for g, I had multiple answers because it'll be 0 and it would be 4. So you'll have 2 answers for g, or 3.8 or something. Now, how many times does y equals negative 3 cross f of x? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a horizontal line at y equals negative 3. Draw a horizontal line. So y equals negative 3 is this graph. I'm going to draw a horizontal line at y equals negative 3. Okay? I'm going to label this y equals negative 3. That's what y equals negative 3. The question is, how many times does the dash graph cross that? Twice. So it'd be twice, or I'll just put twice. I don't know what the twice. You put. I guess you could put 2 there technically. Why don't you show them what you're writing? Sorry. Dang it. So twice. So draw a horizontal line at y equals negative 3. Okay. All right. D, is f of x a function? Is the dashed line a function? Remember this from yesterday? This is yesterday's review. Can I ever draw a vertical line that crosses it more than once? No, I can never draw a vertical line that crosses more than once, so it is a function. So yes. You're going to use this later in the week. We're going to do an activity on Friday. Domain. Y'all remember the 2 questions? Domain deals with x or y. X, what are the 2 questions? Good. How far left? How far right? You have to write this down, but I'm just trying to teach you here. How far left? How far right? So I'm looking at the dashed line, okay? Y'all cooked on this yesterday. How far left does the dashed line go? How far left does the dashed line go? Negative 11. Now, does it equal negative 11? Do I put a parenthesis or a brace? Parenthesis. Why am I putting a parenthesis at negative 11? Open. Does not include that point. Good job. How far right does the dashed line go? 11. Does it include 11? Yes. So I put a brace there. Does Kenya know how to do this? Range deals with the y. I'm going to ask Kenny. So this is how far down, how far up. This is in terms of y. Kenny, how far down does the dashed line go? So you look at the lowest point, you look at the y at the lowest point. How far down does it go, Kenny? Good. Watch Kenny cook. How far up does it go, Kenny? Yeah. Good. Now, for negative 6, is it a brace or parenthesis? Be a brace because it could equal that. For the 10, is it a brace or parenthesis? It's a parenthesis because it's not. It's an open circle. So if it's closed there or it crosses there, it's a brace. But if it's a open circle, it's a parenthesis. Okay. Good job.